All right, the goal of this video is to talk about how we calculate slope when given 2 points. I have a point A and a point B, and we know from geometry that a line is defined as the straight line connecting 2 points. This line will then have slope. So to find that slope, we continually need to think about slope using our variable m, and we've been defining this as change in y divided by change in x. So we have to figure out how much our y values are changing and compare that in a fraction to our x values. To remind everybody, every ordered pair is x comma y. So when I'm thinking about my y values, I'm thinking about the change from -1 to -4. And if we want to figure this out, change in y, to figure out how far two numbers are apart, we use subtraction. Subtraction is difference. So if you want to know how far 5 and 10 are apart, 10 minus 5 is 5. Those things are 5 apart. So here we've got some negative numbers, so this can be a little bit confusing to think about. So we're going to start with -4 minus -1. The minus and negative turns into addition, so we'll end up with -3. Our y changes down 3. And then our change in x, okay, our x values here are -5 and 4. So if we're going to have change in x, we need to find the difference again between -5 and 4. Since we started here first with -4, we need to start our subtraction with the b point as well. So we need to take 4 minus -5. Subtracting a negative turns into addition, so we end up with 9. So my slope m then is equal to change in y, -3, divided by change in x, 9. So what's happening is my line is dropping 3 and moving right 9. This would be the same thing as dropping 1 and moving right 3. We can reduce that fraction. So our slope here in this case is -1/3.